Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's session, we will be discussing about the last topic of the first chapter, that is taxonomical aids. Taxonomical aids are the sources or the help of classification of various species of plants, animals, and other organisms, including the study of the bioresources. And the taxonomic studies of various species of plants and other organisms are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry to estimate the bioresources and their diversity. Now let us discuss few taxonomical aids in depth. Starting with the first taxonomical aid, that is herbarium. Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens which are dried, pressed and preserved on sheets. So basically the herbarium sheets contains information on the description of the specimens, and also it is a storehouse for the future use. The herbarium sheets includes information such as date, place of collection, English, local and botanical names, family, collector's name, etc. And herbaria also serve as a quick referral systems in taxonomical studies. Moving to the second taxonomical aid, that is Botanical Gardens. Botanical gardens consist of collection of living plants for reference, where these plant species are grown for identification purposes. Each plant is labeled indicating its botanical or scientific name, including its family. Some of the famous botanical gardens are at Kew in England, Indian Botanical Garden in India, and at National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, India. The third taxonomical aid is museums. Museums consist of collection of preserved plants and animals for the study and reference. Some specimens are also preserved in the containers which contains preservative solutions. And also some of the plants and animals are also preserved as dry specimens. Insects are preserved in the insect boxes after collecting, killing and pinning. Larger animals like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. Skeletons of animals too. Fourth taxonomical aid is zoological parks. Zoological parks are the places where wild animals are kept in the protected environment under human care, and also this enables us to learn about their food habits and behavior. All animals in zoos are provided the conditions similar to that of their original habitats. Zoological parks are commonly called as zoos. The fifth taxonomical aid is key. Key is one of the taxonomical aid which is used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. The keys are based on the contrasting characters, generally in a pair called couplet. This represents the choice made between two opposite options, and it results in the acceptance of only one and rejection of the other. Each statement in the key is called a lead. Separate taxonomic keys are required for each taxonomic category, such as family, genus, and species, for the identification purposes. Keys are generally analytical in nature. The next taxonomical aid is flora. Flora commonly is for the plant species. It contains the actual account of habitat and distribution of plants of a given area. These provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. Next taxonomical aid is manuals. Manuals are useful in providing information for identification of name of the species found in an area. And the last taxonomical aid is monographs, which contains information on any one taxon. That's all in today's session. We have completed the first chapter. Stay tuned for the next chapters. Thank you.